It's been about 24 hours. Let's go see if she'll start today. It's still full of fuel. There's a little air bubble over there. See how she starts up. It was real cold last night too, so this might be a good test. It's kind of chilly right now, actually, too. Hoping it starts right up. Well, it didn't start up as fast as I wanted it to, but I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that hole on that fuel filter housing, and we'll see where that leads us. Oh, yeah. I'm just breaking that sucker up. I don't guess I'm going to be salvaging it, huh? There we go. Alright, let's see what's under there. Oh yeah, there's diesel under there. And here's the gasket, came loose. Little O-ring. I didn't think it was gonna be pink. But can you see that? There's diesel in there. I mean, I guess that's normal, I don't know. Guess we wanna seal that hole up. Steel stick, JB Weld. Got me a washer here. I think that's gonna work real good. Scuffed it up with some sandpaper. Clean it up. Clean the face of the washer here that the JB Weld's gonna be on. I never used this JB Weld putty before. So, remove the required amount of putty. I think that's going to be sufficient right there. I knead it to a uniform color here. We're getting close. You can smell it. It smells like, whew, smells like JB Weld. The website says this is steel reinforced, will not rust, and resists automotive chemicals and petroleum products. So I think it's a good choice for what we're going to use it for here. I'm going to make a snake. Here, we'll make a circle. How about that? I think that's going to be plenty. Let's take our washer here. Hopefully it didn't squeeze down in that hole too much. Don't know. Guess we'll find out. So I didn't seal it off. Hopefully that's a good sign. It says cures in an hour. We're just going to leave it sitting here all night.